Hello everyone, this is Jag. Well, in this video I'm going to share just one technique with you to get rid of all the squash bugs. Now squash bugs are very invasive. They're also called stink bugs and no organic solution works on them. Neem oil doesn't work on them. Diatomaceous earth is supposed to work on them because diatomaceous earth kills any insects with hard body. However, these squash bugs, they manage to escape the wrath of diatomaceous earth. I tried sprinkling diatomaceous earth on my zucchini plants, on my squash plants, and that did not get rid of them. So organically, there's one solution that really works, and that's using a shop vac or a wet dry vacuum with a large opening like this. Now diatomaceous earth may not work with squash bugs if you sprinkle on your plants and they lightly get in contact with diatomaceous earth. However, I do add diatomaceous earth to my vacuum cleaner. This is what I do. Now before you begin, open up your shop vac and then add a tablespoon of diatomaceous earth into your shop vac. Now this is because when squash bugs are in direct contact with diatomaceous earth inside the vacuum cleaner for a prolonged period of time, that does get rid of them. Now as you can see, there's lots of squash bugs right in there on my spaghetti squash. So I'm going to use the vacuum cleaner to get rid of them all. Now check this out. Look at all the squash bugs on this spaghetti squash right there. Squash bugs or stink bugs are absolutely notorious and they can destroy gardens in no time, and they breed like crazy as well. So it's very important to keep a tab on squash bugs and stink bugs. Now I run a 20-acre organic farm and we grow a variety of fruits and berries as well, and we also grow squashes and pumpkins too. We grow winter squashes such as spaghetti squash, red curry squash, acorn squash. We grow a variety of pumpkins too, and we do get lots of squash bugs. So I was randomly selected this year by the Agriculture Department of California for an organic inspection. While in the interview, they asked me, how do you get rid of squash bugs? Because it's a challenge in organic gardening to get rid of pests like squash bugs. And I just said, I vacuumed them up. And they were all so surprised. They're like, what? I said, yep, I just use a shop vac and just vacuumed them up. They said, that's very clever. They never heard that before. And it works. I said, yep, it works really well. Now look at all the squash bugs over here. And then I let it sit for about 4 to 6 hours and let the diatomaceous earth work against them. And when they die up in there, I feed them to my chickens. I don't open up the vacuum cleaner beforehand because if you open it up, they'll all fly out or they will run away. So you'll have to catch them again. So wait till about 4 to 6 hours for diatomaceous earth to work, and then you can just dispose them off or feed them to the chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.